Next example, Mkdir and rmdir. Use the Mkdir command when you need to create a folder or a directory. For example, if you want to make a directory called test1, then you can type mkdir test1. Let me simulate this mkdir command. Mkdir test1 ls, the directory created. To create a directory with a space between two words, mkdir test1 / space dir ls test1 dir was created. To remove that directory, we use rmdir test1 / space dir. Remember to put this / or use the brackets, otherwise it might delete the wrong directory. Let me simulate that to you. rmdir, then test space dir 2. I will try to delete test dir 2, which has a space between the two words. rmdir command failed to remove test and dir 2, no such file or directory. So in that case, it considered those as two arguments for the command rmdir. We have to correct this and put / for it to work. Now the command worked correctly and the directory removed. Next command, touch. The touch command is used to create a file. It can be anything from an empty text file to an empty zip file. For example, touch new.txt. ls will display that we have created a new file. Next command, rm. Use the rm command to delete files and directories. Use rm-r to delete just the directory. It deletes the folder and the files it contains when using only the rm command. I will simulate rm command. rm new.txt file. Now file is deleted. Let me remove that directory. rm just test dir 2. It tells me that cannot remove test dir 2 as a directory. I will use rm-r, then directory name. Now it's deleted. Let me touch multiple files in one single command, which can be used by mentioning the file names in just one line. New 1, new 2, new 3. ls. Now we have created multiple files. Next command, cp. Use the command cp to copy files through the command line. It takes two arguments. The first is the location of the file to be copied. The second is where to copy. Let's simulate copy new 1 to our home directory. cp new 1 to /home capsule 1. This is the command cp, the file to be copied, the destination directory. Next command, mv. Use the mv command to move files through the command line. We can also use the mv command to rename a file. For example, if we want to rename the file new2 to new4, we can use mv new2 This is the old file name, this is the new file name. Then enter. ls new2 has been renamed to new4, and as you can see, mv takes two arguments like copy command. Next command, echo. The echo command helps us move some data, usually text, into a file. For example, if you want to create a new text file or add to an already made text file, you just need to type echo hello Linux lovers, then those marks, then file name ls. To display what was written here in that file, we use cat command, concatenate. As you can see, cat new1 displayed hello Linux lovers, which we used in echo command. We can echo a new different line under this file using the same echo command. Echo welcome to Linux capsules, then those two marks and file name. It worked. Let's display the content by using cat command, then the file name. Here is the content. Hello Linux lovers, welcome to Linux capsules.